Greetings. So this is just a quick video on how to make money through data reselling business. Now, to get results in anything, as I usually say, you have to understand how it works. You understand? You have to understand how it works. So just in these few minutes that you'll be giving me, I guarantee you that it will be one of the most productive times in your life if you put into action what I'll be teaching you. Understand? These few minutes we'll be spending watching this video. So stay through till the end to understand how this really works. Now, data business simply means data reselling business simply means buying from. This is just a raw video. The raw this thing raw truth. You understand? Raw truth, straight to the point. I don't want to bore you with a series of talks. Just want to give you a simple analysis of what it means, simple idea, and present to you this money making machine that many people are leaving on the table. Now, it simply means buying data from data reselling platforms like VTO platform and sending to the end users. Do you understand? And that does not prevent you from doing your other business engagement because it's very fast. Like in seconds, you have sent data and continue with your daily activities or whatever you are engaged in. So it is very simple. It does not stop you from doing your other businesses. That is just the summary of what I'm trying to communicate. When you send them data, they can transfer money to your OPay. Do you understand? Or any banking app you are using. Okay, let's take it for instance that this is our platform now. Let's take it for instance now. You want to sell data to a customer. Put MTN. So before we go into that, don't worry. Let me just show you. Let's say that you want to sell this one now. This data now, this one now is a hot cake that people are rushing now. You understand? Many people want data with 1 month validity, and most popular apps that people know, it is only giving you 2 days, 1 day, 1 week validity. You understand? But with this platform, with our platform, you can get it 1 gig, 1 gig for 1 month validity, 650 instead of getting this thing 750 for this thing for a data that will last for 2 days or 3 days. You are getting this one 650 and it lasting for 1 month. You understand this? And many people are looking for this data bundle. Do you understand? Most people don't want this one that will last 2 days or 3 days. They want the one that will last. You understand? Even if they don't finish it, they will able to. Even if they don't finish it in that 3 days, then they can continue to use it. Do you understand? Continue to use it. So this is a hot cake that people are looking for. Now you buy it at this price 650, and you tell your customer, you tell the person buying from you that you are selling it 800 or 750, and you present your OPay account or PalmPay or whatever bank. That 750 or 800 will sent to your account. Then what you are going to buy, what you be then maybe before then you should have funded your wallet. You understand? Funded your wallet, then up to the amount you are buying here, which is 650. You understand? Then come here, buy some to buy data, and click on it. Click on this thing. Click on SME and buy. Put the person's number. I see. Put the person's number here, and click on buy. Put your pin. Do you understand? Put your pin here. Your 5 digit pin. Do you understand? So it's very simple. And you are if it's 800 you are selling it. Some people are selling 750. Some people are selling 800. You are making 150 per sale. You understand? Just calculate it. Let's say that 150. Okay, where is calculator? 150 now. Let's say that you are making 20 sales every day. That is 3,000. 30 days is what? 90,000. You understand? Let's say that you are making 30 sales. You understand? 30 sales times 150 times this thing times 30. Sorry. 135. Are you seeing now? You understand? Let's say that you are making okay, let's say that you're making 40 sales. 40 sales. 40 sales times 150, 6,000 times 30, 180,000. So this is a lot of money that people are leaving on the table. Do you understand? You can start building your customers. Post, you can create a flyer. We create flyers. You can reach us to us on WhatsApp. I will drop my WhatsApp this number. You reach us to us on WhatsApp. We'll create a flyer for you. Start making, tap, post. In fact, you can even start without flyers and send your brokers to your friend WhatsApp, this thing friends. Yes, for your friends on WhatsApp. Tell them that you have started selling your data. You understand? Uh, uh, I think I said something. We have a community. Let me show you our community. We have a community on WhatsApp, and I said something. I said something. There was something I sent yesterday. That somebody, Femi Hotel Dollar said, to prosper, accept that nothing is beneath you. You can get started. It doesn't mean that you continue to sell data all your life. You can get started with this one. Nothing is beneath you to prosper. You can start somewhere. Do you understand? No, don't mind what people will say. Start selling data. Many people need data here and there. You understand? Many people are always running out of data, and some people can even stay without food to subscribe and come and laugh on internet. Can utilize that. You can maximize that to earn. You understand? Start somewhere. 3 months, 4 months, you have raised money. This is free money. Oh. Just saying you are not doing anything. So this is a lot of money people are leaving on the table. So you can click on the link we will send. You understand? Click on the link we will send, and or chat us with the number we will drop, and you register. You understand? You register on our website. Start buying data. Start selling immediately. It's a lot of money you're leaving on the table. So it's a legit. We have a community of over or around 500. You understand? 472. You understand? It's very very legit. You don't have to. We are very very legit. We are always giving updates. Also chat us on WhatsApp so that you can join our group and get periodic updates about the state of our service. Do you understand? So see you next time. I wish you massive success in your business.